Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use Wix Forms for online loan or credit applications. So for this, I am here on Wix Editor. First of all, log into your account and then open your site. Once you are here, now over the left side, we have this plus icon. Click on it. And from there, we have contact and forms option. Click on it. And then we have applications. And also we have forms option there. So for now, we will go with Wix form for online loan and credit application. So for this, first of all, I will go with application here. So go to applications and there we have these formats. So you can go with the one that you like. This is the application form and this is the request form. So I will go with this form maybe here. Click on it and simply it will be added to your site. It will take few seconds. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, now it is done. So you can edit this portion according to your need. You can add you can edit it like you want a ID card picture from front and back, then the email is compulsory, then the phone number is compulsory, and your first and last name. So once you edit this form, there we have the edit form option. Once you edit it, then you are good to go. So in this way, you can use Wix form for online loan or credit application. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.